So I'm going to show you how you can make all that squeaking dash stop. So I actually confirmed it, so I'm just going to redo I already fixed it. Most people say to torque the hinges and all that, because even though it sounds like it's coming from the pillar or the front lip of the dash on the inside of the car, really it's all this right here, this guy. So long story short, I started messing with it. I'm putting it up right now so you guys can see. Putting it up on threads. I had it like at 4 lines or 5 lines, as you can see. So I'm gonna put it up. That's what I did the first time, and it made the sound like 50 times worse. So I'm gonna do it up again. I'm gonna show you that this is what's causing all the hinge noise to touch on the firewall and making it sound like it's a dash when it's not, but it's this guy. So here it is, coming from this side of the dash on the left side. Here you go, get it like a squeak. So just give it a second, let it make it a bit bad. So if you guys heard that squeak, I'm gonna try to replicate it again now that we're gonna be on a different type of surface. Let me see if it works here. So you can hear that? That's the hood stop in the front that I showed you guys earlier, that I raised it up higher. So pretty much what I ended up doing the first time, this was actually way worse than this. I heard people talking about the hood hinge, the hood stop, and I said, okay, well, what's the easiest thing I could reach, which is the hood stop, right? Or the hood stop bump, the little rubber part. So that's the first thing I adjusted. So I put it higher thinking that was the issue. And when I put it higher, this right here, the squeak you hear became even 10 times worse than this. It was every second. So then I said, okay, then it's the bump, because it went up when I raised it up. So this time I'm just gonna actually lower it all the way and it'll go away, which it did, which I'm gonna show you guys now when I lower it. So this is pretty much this is how you're gonna eliminate the dash sound, or it's this guy right here. You just gotta roll it down. I don't remember how much I did it, but I'm gonna say it's right there. I say you just check it, lower it a little bit so it can still help the bump stop part, which touches right there. But I think you should just lower it a little, just enough where it's still touching. And then right now you'll see that most of the noise, or if not everything, if you still have slight squeaks here and there during certain turns or bumps, then you need to lower it even more, because that means the pressure on this front part is higher. So it's pretty much stiffer on this side, because it's pressing up against the hood. So then all of the pressure is going onto the side closest to the dash, and that's where you get the dash noise, even though it's actually from this guy, which is the funniest part. But let's see. So I took it off, and I purposely came on this road because there's all kinds of bumps and it's not even. So let's see if you guys can hear it. All right. All right. So like I said, now I put it on this road. I came on it because it's perfectly it's kind of uneven. But if you guys can see now, I lowered the hood latch, or the hood bump stop, and I almost hear 0 squeaks, if not nothing. If anything, I hear something from that side barely, so I think I need to lower that side a little bit more, the hood bump stop. But other than that, I don't hear not one piece of squeak coming from the dash right here. And once again, like I said, it's just adjusting that one. I think you should lower it little by little until it's fully away, the sound is fully away, or the squeaks are fully gone. But yeah, that's how you're gonna fix it. I made this video just because I seen so much people post it, and I was so irritated on the sound, and it was driving me crazy. and no one had a solution other than saying, oh, tie down the hood hinges or this and that. And I mean, some of it, if it works for them, great. But honestly, it was, it sounded like the sound was coming either from here or here, but in reality, it was from the hood bump stop, the rubber stop. And that's how you're gonna actually fix it. And like I said, you guys see me driving now, not one squeak. Not even if I put it close. So, hope this helps you guys out. If this video was in any way helpful for you, which I hope it was, just give it a thumbs up, like it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.